Hey guys, Tasla everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan chusey momo. So it's very delicious and simple recipe I'm going to show you, and hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let's get started how to make. So first I'm going to prepare the momo filling ingredient. Now I already cut all the ingredient. Now I'm going to add meat. I use pork, you can use any kind of meat. After that I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste, onion, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon cooking wine, 2 teaspoons soy sauce. After that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon oil, and finally I'm going to add 1 egg. After that mix very well all the ingredient. Now it's done, and cover and leave it for 25 minutes. Next I'm going to make momo dough. For momo dough ingredient very simple. We need flour and water. Only these two we need. And remember always when you make the momo dough, so add water slowly and make dough little hot. Now give it a good massage. After that dough becomes soft, I'm going to add just a little bit oil. After that I'm going to put in bowl and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. For next I'm going to prepare for soup stock. For soup stock making ingredient very simple. We need some bone, and after that for extra flavor I'm going to use some star onion, ginger and green onion roots, and some Sichuan pepper. After that I'm going to add just a little bit salt and water. Now cover and boil for a couple minutes. So next I'm going to make momo skin. I always use like this because it's very easy for me. Make evenly sized. After that I'm going to cut round shape. So what you have you can use. Here I'm going to use peanut butter cover. Next take a momo steam pot. So if you don't have steam pepper, you can first apply the oil. So here I'm going to use steam pepper. Next I'm going to make a momo shape. You can make any kind of shape as you like. Now it's ready for steam. Now steam for 25 minutes. Now I'm going to take out the all bone, set aside, and I'm going to add green onion leaves. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, next I'm going to add some meat. This is optionally, if you like you can go with that, if you don't like you can definitely skip the meat. So I've boiled for a few minutes. After that it's ready to serve. For non-spicy sauce I'm going to make 2 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. So this is my final result, guys. So if you like this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, see you next time.